This is a short demonstration to show how the enclosure works for the under risers circulation system. The sides are simply fastened in by Velcro that is attached to the risers. We put the sides up like this and they stay in place. The dampers are of soft material, so when students walk up, if they do happen to touch this with their feet, it doesn't come down, it flexes just a little bit with a little bit of contact, and it also keeps enough of a shape that the air is directed down into the space under the risers. So we can simply put this back on, and the ends are also Velcroed, so they're fastened nice and tight, so the air is going this way and it's sealed off here. The smaller space makes the airflow very even going across the risers. So when students are sitting, they're getting airflow closer to their heads. When they're standing, the airflow is still being directed this way, and the air exchange rate is still increased in this location. The rear of the risers is sealed off with tent material. I used Ottertex for this. It's advertised as being extremely thick and durable. However, if you grab a hold of this, it feels very light to the touch. We're using the soft side of the Velcro on the risers, so if this is taken off, you don't scratch your skin. The firmer part that connects is on the material. All we have to do is push it on, seal it around the ends, and the back side of the riser is now sealed, so the air is being forced to come down in. Looking down the side, you can see that the dampers are a little bit taller in the center, allowing for less space right in front of the filtration cabinet. Then the space opens up as we travel to the end. This is designed so there is less resistance at the end, allowing the air at the end to be pulled in here and travel underneath into the filtration cabinet. Dampers are attached to one another using Velcro to seal, so airflow goes down rather than in between the sides. This also prevents the dampers from sticking out and snagging or curling up. These are the dampers that seal to the floor. The reason I've sealed them to the floor is to allow for more velocity for the dampers that have the small spaces in the middle of the risers, with the goal of pulling the air directly over the students' heads and bodies. These also overlap, and they are sealed to one another with Velcro, so there is no air coming in through this area or down here.